The beginning of a new era. After 15 years in business, ECODETOX becomes VITALAXION. We are delighted to unveil the new version of our company. A more harmonious, modern, and refined look. Better adapted to the international market. As an officially registered Canadian trademark, VITALAXION offers a multitude of benefits and enhancements. We now have all these domain names automatically redirected to our main website with fully renewed and updated content. This new website features clear, crisp, precise, and colorful content. It is vibrant, dynamic, and easy to navigate. We invite you to check it out and share it. The ingenious devices we manufacture have also evolved. We have improved and optimized their design in our quest for perfection. Subscribe to our newsletters under the Vital News tab to receive our promotions and additional information. Add our new email address info@vitalaxion.com to your whitelist. To prevent our future messages from being spammed. Join our new Facebook community to learn more about us. We are doing our best to be more present on social media. Subscribe to our new YouTube channel and click on the bell to not miss anything. We pursue our mission with joy, enthusiasm, and passion because your well-being is our ultimate goal.